Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is physiotherapist Bhakti Rajputia from Telephysio. कैसा चल रहा है आप सबका लॉकडाउन अनलॉकडाउन पीरियड? होप आप सब अपनी फिटनेस और हेल्थ पे काफ़ी ध्यान दे रहे हो. Yesterday was the International Yoga Day, 21st June, राइट? हम सब योगा हमारा कल्चर है, हम योगा में बहुत बिलीव करते हैं, हम सबसे कहते हैं कि योगा फॉलो कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट कम्स वन मोर थिंग, दैट इज़ माइंडफुलनेस. व्हाट इज़ माइंडफुलनेस? आजकल हम सुन रहे हैं काफ़ी केसेस बढ़ गए हैं डिप्रेशन के, सुसाइड्स के. लोग मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स कंडक्ट करते हैं ताकि लोगों में ये अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड हो कि हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ दैट योर मेंटल स्टेट इज़ फिट, दैट यू आर मेंटली फिट. ओके, ये कोई टैग नहीं है या फिर यू डोंट हैव टू फील एम्बेरस्ड अबाउट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. ओके, फील फ्री टू एक्सप्रेस इज़ द मेन मोटो ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ. So today's video is specially just for mental health awareness and for mindfulness. What is mindfulness? Conscious levels, इसे हम कहते हैं mindfulness. किसी भी एक्टिविटी को जब आप कॉन्शियसली करें तो वो बन जाता है माइंडफुल एक्ट. जैसे कि आप नॉर्मली पेपर भी पढ़ रहे हो बट आप सिर्फ न्यूज़ पे फोकस ना करते हुए यहाँ वहाँ देख के या फिर मोबाइल में थोड़ा पढ़ के या फिर न्यूज़पेपर में थोड़ा पढ़ के, उसे माइंडफुल नहीं कहा जाएगा. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, फोकस कम्प्लीटली ऑन इट, बी इन्वॉल्व कम्प्लीटली इन इट, दैट इज़ माइंडफुलनेस. हम खाना खाते हैं, कितनी बार खाना खाते हुए हम टीवी के साथ खाना खाते हैं, ना कि अपने फैमिली के साथ. इतने महीनों में हम कितनी बार सिर्फ फैमिली के साथ बैठ के खाना खाए हैं या फिर बिना टीवी के आपने सिर्फ अपनी फैमिली के साथ इंटरेक्ट किया. दैट इज़ माइंडफुलनेस. दैट इज़ व्हाट एक्चुअली मैटर्स इन टुडेज अनसर्टेन टाइम्स. हम नहीं जानते कोविड कब तक रहेगा, क्या होगा. हमारा पूरा ट्रेंड, लाइफस्टाइल सब कुछ चेंज हो चुका है बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड-19. एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो सीन अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू एंड डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन आवर वर्ल्ड टुडे. So we are lucky also to see that digital world can expand and reach out to so many across the world. So today I just want to discuss with you what exactly is mindfulness. I was reading a book by Donald Altman, Meal by Meal. It's a very simple book. बहुत simple concept है for 365 days and it's amazing. क्योंकि हम सब कहते हैं माइंडफुल रहना चाहिए, कॉन्शियसली आप काम करें, कॉन्शियसली आप लोगों के साथ रहे, इन्वॉल्व रहे. बट हम कैसे करें जबकि हमारे माइंड में इतने सारे ऑलमोस्ट 70,000 थॉट्स पर डे प्रोसेस होते हैं. सो यू आर पुटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेन ऑन योर ब्रेन ऑल्सो. और जैसे हार्ट फंक्शन करता है वैसे ही ब्रेन भी करता है, और ब्रेन बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन है हमारी बॉडी का. ओके, सो टुडे आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डिस्कस 7 डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज विच कैन बी इंक्लूडेड इवन इन योर लाइफ स्टाइल, इवन इन योर एक्सरसाइज पैटर्न्स. ओके, so these are 7 categories which I got inspired and have taken it from this book. This book is talking about foods, यानी कि हमारी एक पूरी साइक्लिक पैटर्न, सुबह से नाश्ते से शुरू करके रात के डिनर तक. What all we do, how consciously we do. That is what this book talks about. So I thought, why not involve this concept for exercising? And after a lot of discussion with one of my friends, I got motivated to actually put forward this video. And a big thanks to that friend for motivating me. So coming to the 7 categories, ये 7 categories आप definitely implementation में लाए तो ही इसका use है आपके लिए. Okay? So coming to the first category is known as enter. यानी कि आप क्यों enter होते हो एक fitness program में. A fitness program usually is customized. जो किसी और के लिए एप्लीकेबल हो, शायद आपके लिए एप्लीकेबल ना हो, आपके लिए यूजफुल भी ना हो. ओके, सो हाउ डू यू चूज अ फिटनेस प्रोग्राम? अभी जब आप लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हो, यू माइट हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑल्सो टू डिसाइड कि आपको फिटनेस के लिए क्या करना है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज एक्नॉलेज, यानी कि आपको अगर कहीं पे पेन है, एक्स है, कुछ डिस्कम्फर्ट्स है, take a pause. Don't go directly for a workout. Take a pause and know where exactly you have the pain. Acknowledge that discomfort. वो discomfort पहले आप accept कीजिए, and that is mindfulness, the first step for exercising, which is very important and often neglected. If you are a patient who has been doing exercises for a lot of years, like arthritis की वजह से, or because of any other issues, it would be best that you see if you have any discomforts in your body. Okay, make sure आप recognize करें वो pain को, acknowledge करें, and thirdly, if you have the pain, take a pause, which is very important. Why I'm insisting on a pause is because हम सब speed से भागने के लिए used to है. So right now is the time you take a pause. Okay, know the pain and then address the issue. Second comes the choices. We all know we have lot of choices available through the media, through YouTube, through Instagram, Facebook, you name it, and you have it today. But what is suitable for you is the most important thing. You can always go back to the same protocol of exercises. अगर आपने सालों पहले aerobics किया था in your 30s and 40s, you can go for it, no problem. But why not try something new? Why not do it in a different way? And if you're doing it in a different way, you're choosing it. That is choice. That is where your choice matters. Because जो आपके neighbor ने किया वो आपके लिए सही हो ज़रूरी नहीं है. Your body pattern is different. Everybody is different. कोई एक इंसान का पेन दूसरे से मैच नहीं करेगा. It can be similar, but वो सेम कभी नहीं होगा, ना इंटेंसिटी में ना लोकेशन में. Okay, so make sure कि you are choosing what is right for you. You are acknowledging what is right for you. Coming to the third category, that is preparation. Okay, आपका aim क्या है? Is it pain relief? Is it generalized fitness? Is it weight loss program? Is it post pregnancy weight loss program? Or is it pre pregnancy fitness program? कितने सारे phases होते हैं हर एक की life में, be it a male, be it a female. Especially for females, there is a wide variety out there. You can choose what's right for you. You can discuss with your therapist, with your fitness instructors, with a known person who has the right knowledge for it. That is what matters. Okay, these are the first three categories. Now coming to the fourth category, that is rituals. Rituals यानी कि एक pattern जो आप follow कर रहे हो. What do you do before the exercises? What do you do during the exercises? What do you do after the exercises? That is ritual. Before the exercises, a warm-up is absolutely necessary. During the exercises, make sure you are comfortable. You are dressed comfortably. You are doing the exercises in the right intensity for your body, which is suiting your body. That is the ritual during the exercise. And third is the after ritual. That is post exercises. आप exactly क्या कर रहे हो? Post workout, what are you doing? Are you having adequate water? Are you adequately taking rest which is needed for your body, or you're pushing it over the limits? See, challenging your body is absolutely necessary to grow, but main thing is you acknowledge, be prepared for that challenge, prepare your body for that challenge, and that happens over a period of time, not after months of breaks and you go back to the gym and you assume that it's going to be okay and you won't get any injuries or any pains. What you do during before, during and after the exercises will add that much nourishment also to your body. Exercising is just not for being fit, looking fit and smart. It's also for providing adequate nourishment to your joints, to your muscles, improve circulation. Okay, so it will start with a proper right intention. Okay, now the next category is exercising. You need to first watch how your body performs when you exercise. We don't do that. Usually हम exercise करते हैं with the rhythms, with music. It's not bad, but just make sure you know the presence of your body, of how you are moving your body. If you're doing some neck movements, be aware at the angle where your neck is bending. आप कैसे move कर रहे हो अपनी body को when you exercise is very important. Are you doing it on a safe surface? Are you wearing comfortable shoes, clothes? Are you properly hydrated? Okay, all these things are very important while exercising. And also while exercising you need to observe कि आपको कहीं पे aches है, pains है, post stiffness, DOMS, delayed onset of muscle soreness, ये सब normal है, ये हो सकता है. But unusual pains and aches which you didn't have before, that can be because of any injury while exercising. So you need to be aware of that also. So that is a part of exercising. Choose the right program for yourself. After exercising, we come to community. Now there is something known as community for exercises also. There is a trend these days. We take group sessions for people. You know why? Because group session helps people to be motivated. People of same disorders or people of same age groups, they when exercise together, they get motivated. उनको inspiration मिलती है एक दूसरे को देख के. Okay, so join such groups. It will help in a healthy mindset. आप aware रहोगे when you are giving a 45-minute session, you are taking a 45-minute class. आपका पूरा attention सिर्फ वो 45 minutes के class पे ही रहेगा जब आप बाकी सब लोगों के साथ करें. So do involve in group exercises. That helps. You can discuss your problem in such groups. They have usually WhatsApp groups पे a community or a Facebook community or even on Instagrams. So you can join such communities where there is open discussion about your pains, your aches, be it your mental health, be it your physical health. You always get good guidance when you join such community. It keeps you motivated and inspired. Okay, so make sure you are aware about these communities and you involve yourself actively. Don't be reluctant to join any group. आप जब किसी group में join करते हो, voice out. Speak out what your problem is. Speak out if you have any confusion. Then only you will get a guidance. Because nobody is going to come and ask you सामने से कि आपको कुछ problem है. You have to talk. That is the most important thing for a healthy mindset. When you don't talk, आप जब अपने emotions को, expressions को suppress करते हो, what is the point of having those emotions and expressions? It's very important to express, because when you express it out, you will get definite solution for it. आप नहीं बात करोगे या फिर आप समझोगे कि वो सेशन खत्म हो गया, that's the end of it, and you have pains and all after that, but you discontinue the exercises. So that is not the answer for your problem. No, you need to go and talk it out. That is how you will get a solution. In a community, you get like-minded people, okay, जिनकी सेम तरह की सोच रहेगी, सेम तरह का मोटिवेशन लेवल्स रहेंगे. So it will be effective for you when you go and join such communities. And the last part is departure. जब आप पूरे दिन में एक्सरसाइज के लिए इतना प्रिपेयर्ड हो, एक्सरसाइज को इतनी अच्छी तरह से समझ के करोगे, इतनी अवेयरनेस के साथ करोगे, definitely for the next day you will be able to prepare your body and mind in a very effective way. It is a slow process. Every day you are building up something new. That is where mindfulness comes into picture. From entry to departure. These 7 stages will definitely help you if you follow it with full awareness and consciousness. It is important for your physical body, for your mental health, and even for your spiritual health. Meditation is very effective. Make it a part of your life. It will help you in gaining clarity and improve your focus. But when you are mindful, यानी कि आप हर एक चीज़ इतनी अवेयरनेस के साथ करोगे, तब आपकी एक्सरसाइज का रिजल्ट भी उतना ही अच्छा होगा. Be it for your treatment purpose or be it for your fitness purpose, it will definitely bring out the best. You will get the desired result with a clear intention when you are mindful. I hope being mindful will really help you out, help you gain a very excellent level of mental health. Speak up, talk, discuss and express your emotions with others. There are a lot of people who are out there to help you. You are not alone, and if you ever feel depressed or low, you can definitely talk it out with someone who will be there for you. Make sure you are also there for others who need help. Reach out to people who need help and can't talk about it easily. Okay? I hope all these 7 stages will be useful to you और आप इसे definitely implement करेंगे अपनी life में. Make sure you make it a great day today. Be safe, stay home and stay healthy.